Hi, my name is Allison Johnston.
My name is Patrick Van Negri.
My name's Courtney Dober, and my pledge is to push my mind, body and spirit to the absolute limits.
My pledge is to break free from my current routine and explore the new horizons.
My pledge is to climb new heights.
So this is the first time we're looking at Kilimanjaro. It's huge.
Even from here, we're very far away, but it's incredibly beautiful.
Kilimanjaro is a big mountain and there are a lot of risks involved, particularly on the route we're taking on the Western Breach, which is the hardest route on the mountain. It's definitely not a guarantee that everyone will get to the top. It is a serious undertaking.
Okay guys, you're now at Kilimanjaro National Park. You're going to have some challenges on the way, some steep parts. Are you all ready for that? Rock and roll.
This is exciting. We're actually doing it.
I haven't been offline since 2008, not even for a day, so this 2 weeks is gonna really cleanse me. I never camped in my life, so I think now would be a good time to start before it's too late.
For me personally, it'll push me to my absolute limits. I want to prove to myself that I can climb the highest freestanding mountain in the world.
I think I was about 8 years old the first time I ever saw Kilimanjaro in a magazine. I used to say, "You're gonna get there someday." And the fact that I'm here is insane. My father was also an avid hiker. This was a dream that we had together. So the fact that he's not going to be with me, it's hard.
See what is that?
Is that where we're heading? It makes you nervous seeing how high it is and seeing the fact that it's above the clouds and that there's snow on the top.
It's still really far away, but it's so much more tangible.
The inner 8-year-old in me is just bouncing up and down, waiting to get there.
It's definitely something I wanted to keep a bit more of a secret. I have had 2 knee reconstructions and it's certainly impacted my ability to do activities like this. At the ripe old age of 33, I've got seriously advanced arthritis, so I think that's probably the main reason I wanted to do this, is to just to prove to myself that I can do it. I honestly didn't think there would be that much ice and snow. We have to get to the top of that.
You don't love challenges?
Absolutely, that's why I'm here.
Okay, let's do this.
That slope of snow there, that's the Western Breach Wall. And that's where we're going to go there.
There's a couple of core dangers. The main one is altitude. You're going to be pushing over to 5,500 meters and above. And you've really got to look after each other, because that's when altitude is going to have a real effect on our bodies and our minds.
Part of my pledge is to break out from my routine. I don't feel like I break out of my routine. I felt like I'm on a completely different planet.
The altitude's definitely starting to hit us all in different ways. When we start going up a little bit more steeper areas, I feel a little lightheaded.
For the first time, I really do have a serious doubt whether or not I'm capable physically to get to the top of that. You know, from now on, it's going to be less about the physical, because I'm in pain. There's no doubt about that. From here on in, it's all about what's up here. Well, tomorrow's the big day. We tackle the Western Breach. And we've got to get up at 3:30 so we avoid rockfall. The ground's got to stay frozen, so I'm excited to get to the top. I'm excited to get to the summit, and unfortunately the Western Breach is between us and the summit. We've got to tackle it. We have been hiking and trekking, difficult terrain up until this point, but this is where it really gets tough.
It's 3:45. It's Western Breach Day. Feeling cold, feeling excited, feeling nervous.
I am ready. I am more ready than ever to go to the summit and to celebrate with these guys who've been just nothing less than incredible.
This is the most dangerous thing I ever and I will do. It's crazy. If I knew about this, I would not do this pledge.
The altitude, the air is just so thin. It's a struggle to take even a couple of steps.
You alright, Al?
Sit down, maybe.
Yep. Can we have like a rock?
She's down.
got about 5 minutes up the trail and she's fainted, so it's not safe to take her to the top, which is heartbreaking.
I think it's just at a point now where it's just a bit too dangerous, yeah? And I know everyone's really proud of you, I'm really proud of you, and I know your dad would be really proud of you.
Everybody's proud of me.
It was a 20-year pipe dream. It was a 20-year pipe dream for her. And to get within 200 meters of the summit is just shattering.
And we're doing this for her. It's not about us anymore.
We're so close. We did it, mate.
Huh?
We did it.
Can't believe
We got here. I couldn't be prouder of myself. I couldn't be prouder of Patrick. See you later, Poles. Yes! Woohoo! This is for you, Ali. When I first set my pledge, you know, this is the feeling that I wanted to feel. You know, part of my pledge was to push my mind, body and spirit to its absolute limits, and you know, this has pushed me like none other.
I've definitely pushed myself out of my comfort zone since day one, and every day was worse and worse and worse. I feel I can achieve anything. I mean, look, I'm on top of Africa. I mean, what else can you do now?
And today, I honestly thought the three of us would be up here, high-fiving, hugging, as a team. You know, I've never met anyone like Ali who's set a 20-year pledge. And it just goes to show how determined she is and how determined she was to get to the top.
I thought I would be the one to be left behind, but I'm glad we did this for her.
I did accomplish my pledge and climb new heights, just not in the way that I imagined. And I'll be back. But I'm so proud. I'm so proud of Patrick and Courtney.